Looking for ways to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own home? You're not alone. With the rise of remote work and flexible schedules, more and more people are turning to side hustles as a way to boost their income. Whether you want to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or simply have some extra spending money, there are plenty of opportunities out there. In this video, we'll explore 5 side hustle ideas that can help you make money from home. So grab your laptop and let's get started on this exciting journey towards financial independence. 1. Freelance writing. Are you a wordsmith with a passion for crafting compelling content? Freelance writing might just be the perfect side hustle for you. With the booming demand for online content, businesses and individuals are constantly in need of talented writers to create blog posts, articles, website copy, and more. As a freelance writer, you have the flexibility to choose your own projects and work on your own schedule. You can specialize in niches that interest you or explore different topics to broaden your knowledge and skills. Plus, with remote work becoming increasingly common, you can work from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. To get started as a freelance writer, build a portfolio showcasing your best work samples. This could include pieces you've written for personal blogs or websites, or even guest posts on other platforms. Then start pitching your services to potential clients through freelancing platforms or by reaching out directly via email. Once you land some gigs, make sure to deliver high-quality content on time to build up your reputation and gain repeat clients. As word spreads about your excellent writing skills and professionalism, more opportunities will come knocking at your virtual door. So if writing is your passion and making money from home sounds like a dream come true, don't hesitate. Start exploring the world of freelance writing today and turn those words into cash. 2. Social media management. In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. From connecting with friends and family to promoting businesses, it plays a significant role. But did you know that you can turn your passion for scrolling through Facebook or Instagram into a lucrative side hustle? Yes, by becoming a social media manager. As a social media manager, you will be responsible for creating and curating engaging content, scheduling posts, responding to comments and messages, analyzing analytics data, and implementing strategies to grow followers and drive engagement. You'll need good communication skills, creativity, analytical thinking, and knowledge of various social media platforms. Not only is social media management in high demand these days, but it also offers flexible working hours. You can work from the comfort of your own home while still earning money on the side. Many small businesses or entrepreneurs are looking for someone who can help them manage their online presence effectively. So why not use your expertise in navigating the world of hashtags and filters to earn some extra cash? With dedication and consistency in building your client base, being a social media manager could potentially turn into a full-time gig. So get started on cultivating those hashtag skills. There's money waiting to be made. 3. Virtual assistant. Are you organized, efficient, and great at multitasking? Then becoming a virtual assistant could be the perfect side hustle for you. As a virtual assistant, you'll provide administrative support to clients from the comfort of your own home. One of the great things about being a virtual assistant is that it offers flexibility. You can choose how many hours you want to work and set your own schedule. Plus, with advancements in technology, you can easily communicate with clients through email, video calls, or project management tools. As a virtual assistant, your tasks may include managing calendars and appointments, answering emails and phone calls on behalf of clients, organizing files and documents online, conducting research for projects or presentations, basically anything that helps lighten their workload. To get started as a virtual assistant, consider creating profiles on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also reach out to small businesses or entrepreneurs directly if they might need assistance. With dedication and good organizational skills as a virtual assistant, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So why not give it a try today? 4. Personal trainer. Are you passionate about fitness and helping others achieve their health goals? Becoming a personal trainer could be the perfect side hustle for you. With more people prioritizing their well-being, the demand for qualified fitness professionals is on the rise. As a personal trainer, you have the flexibility to work from home or travel to clients' homes. You can offer one-on-one sessions or group classes, depending on your preference and expertise. By tailoring workouts to individual needs and providing guidance on nutrition, you can help clients transform their bodies and improve their overall health. To get started as a personal trainer, consider getting certified through reputable organizations like ACE or NASM. This will not only enhance your credibility but also ensure that you have the necessary knowledge and skills to provide safe and effective training programs. Promote your services through social media platforms, create an engaging website showcasing your expertise, and network with local gyms or wellness centers. Offering free initial consultations or trial sessions can also attract potential clients. Remember that consistency is key in building a successful personal training business. Stay up to date with industry trends, continue learning new techniques, and always prioritize client satisfaction. By helping others achieve their fitness goals while making money from home, being a personal trainer can be both fulfilling and lucrative. 5. eBay sales. If you're someone who loves hunting for hidden treasures or finding great deals, then starting an eBay sales side hustle might be the perfect fit for you. With millions of users and a worldwide reach, eBay provides a platform where you can sell items from the comfort of your own home. One of the best things about selling on eBay is that it allows you to turn clutter into cash. Take a look around your house. Chances are there are items collecting dust that could potentially fetch a good price online. From vintage clothing and collectibles to electronics and furniture, there's a market for almost everything on eBay. To get started, create an account on eBay and set up your seller profile. Take high-quality photos of the items you want to sell and write detailed descriptions to attract potential buyers. Research similar listings to determine competitive pricing strategies. Once your listings are live, be responsive to inquiries from interested buyers and ship out sold items promptly. Providing excellent customer service will help build trust with buyers, leading to positive feedback and repeat business. Remember, successful eBay selling requires patience and consistency. It may take time before you start seeing significant profits, but with dedication and persistence, this side hustle has the potential to become a lucrative source of income while allowing you to work from home at your own pace. Conclusion. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to make money from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or start a new career, side hustles can be a fantastic way to achieve your financial goals. Freelance writing is an excellent option for those with a passion for words and creativity. With the demand for quality content constantly on the rise, there are plenty of opportunities to showcase your skills and get paid for it. If you have a knack for social media and love connecting with others online, social media management could be an ideal side hustle. Many businesses are in need of professionals who can help them navigate the ever-changing landscape of social media marketing. For those who excel at multitasking and organization, becoming a virtual assistant can provide flexible work from home opportunities. From managing schedules to handling administrative tasks, virtual assistants play an essential role in supporting busy individuals and businesses alike. If fitness is your passion, consider becoming a personal trainer. With people becoming more health conscious than ever before, there's high demand for knowledgeable trainers who can guide others on their fitness journeys remotely. If you enjoy hunting down treasures or have an eye for valuable items, eBay sales might be perfect for you. Selling items online not only allows you to declutter your own space but also gives you the chance to turn unused belongings into profit. Remember that starting any side hustle requires dedication and effort. Success won't happen overnight. However, with persistence and commitment, these ideas can pave the way towards financial independence from home. So why wait? Take control of your finances today by exploring one or more of these 5 side hustle ideas. Start small but dream big. Who knows where this journey may take you?